How to clean eyeglasses. For every patient that visits your clinic, we suggest to offer them a free cleaning of their eyeglass lenses. A good opportunity to do this is after verifying the glasses for pre-testing. You can also clean the glasses before or after a frame adjustment. To clean the glasses, spray the lenses with lens cleaner. Use a piece of soft paper towel to gently wipe off the lens cleaner. For your convenience, you can cut up sheets of paper towel into rectangular pieces for you to use. These pieces can be commonly used for cleaning glasses, taking off progressive markings, and sanitizing equipment, such as a pupillometer. Finish cleaning the glasses with a microfiber cloth to remove any excess dirt, smudges, or dust. After cleaning, return eyeglasses to owner. This can be a good opportunity to engage the patient and ask them if they would like to take a look for some new eyeglasses. Please ask and learn from your optician, optometrist, or lead dispenser for more tips, tricks, and eyeglass handling techniques.